Hello, my kids. Today we have a new letter. Our letter today is letter P. Letter P says P, 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 P. Okay, let's learn some words beginning with the letter P. The first word is P, pen, P, pen, P, P, pen, P, P, pen. We write with a pen. P, P, pen. P for police. P for police. P, P, police. P for parrot. P, P, parrot. The beginning letter is P. The beginning sound is P, P, P. P for pizza. P for pizza. P, P, pizza. It's yummy. We like to eat pizza. P, P, pizza. P is for P is for pencil. P is for pencil. P, P, pen, pencil. P is for pot. P is for pot. P, P, pot. Okay, let's learn how to write letter P. We will, we will start from the top and make a standing line, then make the curve up. Small p, we will make standing line from the middle and make a curve up. Again, capital P, we will make standing line from the top and make a curve up. Small p, we will start from the middle and make the curve. Okay, and now we have finished. See you later. Bye bye.